Hello, this is not the end crochet, not painting, and not in my kitchen. Yeah, that's a mouthful. I didn't know which one to direct this to because I got something from Amazon that relates to all 3 channels. I might just have to put this all up on all 3 channels. Anyway, we'll figure it out. Get my scissors. I'm trying not to step on my cat. She's down below me. Oh, why she want to be laying there? Let's see. Let me move this big one out the way. It's kind of heavy. Let's see. Let's see what's in here. This ain't what I thought was going to be in here at all. Let's see. But it was something out of order. Come on now, behave. Can you hear noises in the background? It's my laundry. Today is laundry day. So let's see what's in here. My microphone. This involves my cooking channel because my phone's microphone is not really good unless I'm right up on it, and I move around the kitchen, so I need a microphone. That's what I got. Wireless microphone. Okay, I'll figure that out in a minute. Other 2 items I ordered must be in here. Let's see. Is this okay? Here's my spindle. I needed that because I only got one, and I started doing color work, which I wasn't really doing before. But yeah, that's a good deep box. We'll see how that works. I might try it later today. Ooh, zipper bag. Come on out now. Might keep this. I always can use a decent bag. Put it down there. I'll put it up later. Let me open this. I paid less for this. Oops. Sorry, kitty. Oops. Mama, sorry. You leaving? Oh, well. I tried to warn you. Oh, now I'm going to have to pet her up. Let's see if I can get these. Figure this out. Okay, not that satisfied with that because it looks like to me it's been used. But then I didn't pay that much for it. I'd really been ticked. This one is better than this one. Maybe I'm gonna have to switch. I'll figure it out later. You're not gonna like my review.
Did you send me a used spindle? I think you did. I'm not happy.
First, I gotta check and make sure that I didn't unknowingly buy a used spindle. And these, I've been wanting. This is for my paints. Yeah, they got these at Hobby Lobby, and they cost a pretty penny. So, I don't say enough. I'm gonna try that. Myself face. So I'm gonna move my crochet hooks anyway. There's 6 of them. There's 2 they're silicone. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are really big. 6, and this one's 7 divides. Hot dog. I'm glad I got this. Now these, I'm satisfied with. You, I don't know. That's my Amazon haul. I can't wait to play with these. I'm so happy with these. What I'm doing, I promised my nephew, and his colors are black, silver, and white. I promised him 2 more paintings. So that's the 3-cup one. It's so jiggly. I like it. Thanks for stopping by. Toodles.